Welcome to High Grade School and Academy. I am little Haina, the storyteller. Today, I am going to share with you a beautiful story named Fina and the Lost Firefly. As the golden sun began to set, the meadow glowed like magic. Butterflies fluttered and birds sang their gentle songs. In the middle of the meadow, a curious little fox named Fina ran happily, chasing butterflies with twinkling eyes and a wagging tail. But then Fina noticed something unusual. A tiny light flickered weakly in the grass. I was a little firefly looking so very sad. I am lost, whispered the firefly. I can't find my way back home. Fina's kind heart glowed brighter than the stars. Don't worry, she said softly. I will help you find your way. And off they went together. They crossed over sparkling rivers, Luna stepping carefully, while the firefly rested safely on her nose. Soon the path grew darker. Tall trees whispered in the wind, but Luna walked bravely, guided by the firefly's tiny glow. When a great log blocked their way, Fina leaped high and landed safely, making the firefly giggle with delight. At last, they reached a clearing, and what a sight it was! Hundreds of fireflies sparkled like the stars in the night. The little firefly zipped happily into the air. I am home, it cheered, joining its glowing family. The firefly twinkled close to Fina's face. Thank you, friend, it whispered, glowing brighter than ever before. Fina smiled, her heart warm, as she padded home under the starry sky. The fireflies danced behind her, lighting the night with joy. Thanks for watching High Grade School and Academy. The parents' trust, the parents' choice.